Hello everyone, let's see how to use Shefware PDF Extractor step by step. Firstly, go to your browser and search www.shefware.com. In our product section, search for PDF Extractor tool and download it. After successfully launching application, you will land on the home page of the application. If you have any query, click on Help. You need the activation key after buying the professional version. Enter the key and start your PDF extractor. Now select the document type and add file or folder that you want to extract. Select the file that you want to extract. You can remove that particular file or remove all file to select your preferred file. Click on Next. In this step, you need to select what you want to extract and in which format you want it. Now select the destination path. Click on Extract. Congratulations, your extraction process has been completed successfully. You can also check the history.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials and visit shefware.com.